In the heart of the lush, green rainforest, there lived a sloth named Sammy. Now, Sammy wasn't just any ordinary sloth. He was unusually clever. While other sloths loved to laze around and move slowly through the trees, Sammy's curiosity always made him wonder about the world beyond. His friends called him Speedy, as a playful joke, because they thought his eagerness was quite unusual for a sloth. Sammy had a favorite tree, a big, tall kapok tree where he spent most of his days. One sunny morning, as he was munching on some leaves, he noticed something peculiar. The ants below were working together to move bits of food that were much larger than themselves. Fascinated, Sammy observed how they managed to cooperate and communicate with each other, and a bright idea sprang into his mind. Why do we sloths always do everything so slowly and alone? Sammy wondered aloud. Talking to an owl named Oscar who perched nearby, Sammy shared his thoughts. "Well, what do you suggest, Sammy?" asked Oscar, adjusting his spectacles. "I've been thinking," Sammy said slowly, contemplating his next words. "Maybe we could achieve more if we learned to work together like those ants." Since Sammy was a clever creature, he decided to call a meeting with the other animals in the rainforest. Curious and somewhat amused, the toucans, monkeys, and armadillos gathered around the kapok tree. Sammy explained what he observed and suggested they work as a group to collect food and protect their beautiful home from changes like unexpected forest fires or floods. At first, the animals laughed at the idea. "A sloth organizing teamwork?" they scoffed. But Sammy remained determined and earnest, explaining how by combining their skills, they could accomplish remarkable things. Intrigued by Sammy's enthusiasm, over the next few weeks, the animals tried his ideas. They began by collecting food in teams, which meant they could gather more, and even the youngest and smallest animals wouldn't go hungry. They also started to look out for one another, ensuring everyone was safe and sound from dangers in the forest. To the astonishment of everyone, including Sammy, they discovered that together they thrived. Sammy's cleverness and teamwork transformed their forest into an even more vibrant place to live. Sammy realized the biggest lesson of all. In working together, each animal's strengths made the community stronger. From that day on, Sammy the sloth was no longer just the curious sloth. He became known as the wisest animal of them all because he taught everyone an invaluable lesson. By working together, they could overcome any challenge.